Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View at the Hux World. And today we got a case review for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I know you're still out there looking for an awesome case for your Galaxy Note 10. And if you're like me, a lot of times I like to travel light. So I got a couple of wallet cases that I want you guys to check out. I can only keep one, so I need your help in choosing which case I should keep. Now I got both cases off of Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the description down below just in case you want to go check this out. And with that, let's go ahead and kick off this review. All right, you all, let's check out the first case. Now this first case is coming from a company called Lamiq, right? Now I paid $14.97 for this one on Amazon.com. I'm thinking it may not be a bad deal. It's supposed to be a leather case. They're talking about satisfaction guarantee, so they're going to give you 180 days of warranty with this one. You can send it back with no problem. Again, this is a leather case. It feels like leather. It feels premium. It also looks premium to a degree. Is it manly? That's the question. So at the end of the video, I need for you to let me know which case I should keep. Already, I'm liking this one. I like the smooth feel to this one. Helps with the look of the case, which means that it's going to feel premium in the hand. It's going to feel nice. You got your port cutouts. You got, of course, your cutout for your camera. Top has this cutouts for, of course, your mic. And we're going to put this in and check it out, right? But let's take a look at why I bought this. Here, you got your card slots, right? Let's go ahead and put a couple of them in. See how many we can get in and how much it's going to bulk out. Now, I carry at least 6 cards in the other one. We're going to do 4 in this one and see how fat it looks. To me, that's not a bad deal, right? Not a bad deal, because remember, I'm only traveling with this one. This is not one that I'm going to be wearing every single day. Not at all, right? So I normally leave this at home unless I need it. I keep my license with me, one credit card. But this here, I need to have with me pretty much almost all the time because of what I do. But I'm liking the look. Again, I'm liking the feel of this one. But let's put the phone in the case, right? See how it feels. Now, it feels pretty good, right? It feels tight. And of course, it is going to feel bulky simply because, of course, I got a bunch of cards in the case. Once I take them out, you're still going to get slightly a bulk feel to it, but it shouldn't be that bad. It's not in the way of your camera. And of course, you get the protection around here. The lip is raised, right? Just a little bit. I mean, you can put it on the table and it's not going to hit the glass, but I wouldn't trust it because it's not raised that much. At least not for me. Let's check the button cutout. Okay, that's on, that's off. Let's cut it back on and check the volume button. Okay, the button, very tactile. I can cut it on with ease. That's not a bad deal. Again, I do like the look of this one. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, the cards, yes, I'm going to have to be able to fit 6 cards in here. So, but if I had 1 or 2, it's a better feel with the 1 or 2. Not bad at all. All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. Case number 2 is coming from a company named Array. That's the name of the company. Again, off of Amazon.com, I paid $15.99 for this one. So let's take it out, see what this one looks like. All right. Now, this looks more manly compared to this one. Let me let you see this side by side. Remember, you guys got to help me to make a decision on which one I should get. Now, the red looks beautiful because the red ties into red and black. I wear a lot of red and black, so I got to get another red case. But this one here, it does look good. I like the way it stands out. But this one here has more of a manly look. You got your cutout right here. You got the name of the company right here. Get your port cutouts, top and bottom. The side doesn't have that premium feel. You get ridges here, which can make for uncomfortable feel when you're holding this in the hand that I don't like. I really like the smoothness. You got a couple of holes to help the phone breathe. Not bad, so it doesn't overheat. I do like that. Let's check it out. Now this one is magnet. So you just close it and it catches, right? You got 2, 3 slots. Now remember, I got to get at least 4 to 6 cards in this case. So let's go ahead, let's check this out real quick. It's 1, it's 2, and then my driver's license will go here. So this is more of a manly case to me, but we're going to put one more card down here just to try this out. Now, let's see. Does it close? Okay, now the grip isn't as tight so far as the magnet is concerned, but it does close this. Oh, there we go. I got to fit them into the slot. So it's in there. It's nice. It's in there nice and tight. So since it's bulked out, you got to make sure you kind of snap it into place and you're all good. Now, I like how even this is. It's not as bulky, or at least it doesn't look as bulky, but the design and all still has a good premium look to it. Now, this is PU leather, but it feels really good. It doesn't feel as good as this one. But let's go ahead. Let's put the case in, see if everything lines up perfectly. All right, not a bad look. Ports line up, top and bottom. Okay, you got the lip, raises up pretty good. A little bit better than the first one to me. But let's check out the power button. Off, on. Let's go ahead, let's check this volume button out. I get confused with the volume button. Okay, no problem. Now, what I like about this one is that it's kind of separated, right? I like this one a lot better. This one here, you got to kind of find out where it is in order to, catch the button. So I really don't like that one. I like this one a little bit better. Give you a closer look. So I don't know. Maybe it's something I can get used to, possibly. I am not sure. It feels good in the hand. It does add a little bit of weight to it, a little bit more than what I felt on the red one. But I do like the look of this design a lot better. Again, it looks manly. It looks a little bit nicer. This one looks like it could be more for women, but I'm not wearing this every day, right? It's not going to be in my pocket every single day. So I can deal with that, but I'm loving this red color. It really awesomely looks nice. All right, you all. That's going to be it for the video. Now, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. I really would like to know, right, how, let's get this all, I don't know how to pick that up, how this looks to you and which one I should choose. Now, don't even think about it. I didn't do that test. No, it is not going to wirelessly charge whatsoever. So don't worry about that. This is basically to carry on vacations or, short travels, things of that nature. But all in all, both cases look nice. I think the feel of this one looks a lot better. I think the design of this one here looks better than this one. But both cases actually looks pretty good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.